Hi Jeff, it's Dean Zimmerman here at Forest City Dodge. I just wanted to give you a bird's eye view here of this 19 Chev Tahoe Premiere. It's only got about 63,000 kilometers on it, and we have it on sale right now for $64,900. Of course, available, as you can see. It's waiting for a home, and this is the Premiere, so there's not too much missing from this one. You got the nice tire and wheel package. Beautiful color. It's got like a crystal fleck in there. The automatic running boards. Of course, the leather and heated seats. Remote start. Sunroof. And loads of space. Lots of room there for friends and family. They're of course, as you probably know already, one of the largest SUVs on the market today. And lots of space here in the back. Those seats will fold down if you need that extra room. A little extra storage here as well. Got that hitch that's hidden underneath there. And it's in really good shape. Has a clean Carfax. So I look forward to hearing from you. I'll be in touch, and I look forward to meeting with you.